Hey, what's up? Flim Flam, I told y'all that I would make a longer with lots of huge burps. So, this is it. Yes, better than my last video. This is for you, Flim Flam. Okay. Here's what we call my old man burp. And my girly burp is really funny. I gotta get another drink. Go Auburn Tigers. Favorite team. Comment if you like Auburn, though. Especially Cam Newton. The last part was fake. Make sure to view my prank gone wrong. And watch my last video if you're watching this one. Because it is, I already have 118 views from 3 days. Dang. Okay. Flim Flam 707. That was for you. Whoever you are, make a video so I can know who you are. Okay? Rate, comment, subscribe, and add stars. See you. See you, suckers. My next video, I don't know what I'm gonna do. See you, suckers. Oh yeah, and comment and tell me what you want for the next video. I'll just do that. Okay, because I'm out of ideas. See ya.